It's your boy JD, man, back with another one. Let's go ahead and get into it. You get what I'm saying? So first, I will be showing you how to jump the vehicle off from underneath the hood. You will have the positive terminal near the passenger fender, and the negative terminal will be right beneath it. Okay, now after you've done that, you will push the passenger seat all the way forward, and underneath the passenger seat, there will be the battery, and it will have this cover on it that says VIN. You go ahead and just simply remove the cover, and your battery will be right underneath it. Alright, so once you remove your battery panel, there is your 12-volt battery right there, and right in front of it is the auxiliary battery. To get to a 12-volt battery, you will need to remove the auxiliary battery, or if you have to do both, this will be a good time to do so. So first you will take off both the terminals, which are a 13 millimeter socket. Then it'll be just a nut, you can remove that. And then you will take off this bracket, and that nut is a 10 millimeter deep socket. So once you remove that, you should be able to remove the auxiliary battery, and then we will go from there. Now, once you remove your auxiliary battery, you will have to remove the breather hose that goes right here to take the bracket off to fully remove the auxiliary battery. Next, what you want to do is, I don't know if you can see where my extension is. It's going to be two 13s on each side. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. But what you want to do is you want to go ahead and remove those two 13s to get this bracket out of the way. That way you can go ahead and slide your battery down and then remove the terminals. Now, once you remove the auxiliary battery bracket and also the battery holder, you can go ahead and remove the battery terminals. Now this is the negative, and that one over there is the positive. It has two 10s, so like I said, you can go ahead and slide the battery down and remove this first 10, then go back there and remove the second one. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Then after you do that, you should be able to just pull the battery straight through. Now after you get your old battery out, you go ahead and put your new battery in and just repeat the process backwards. Hope this video helped you. Goodbye.